Hey, welcome back to another video of Programmer Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to add Workspace in your Codecademy account. First of all, open up your preferred web browser. Now, at the address bar, type in codecademy.com and click on Enter. Make sure that you are logged into your account. Now, at the left hand side of your screen, you can see Workspace option here. Click on it. Then click on New Workspace button here. After that, you will be directed to another page. Now you can select a template for your workspace. You can use any one of these workspaces from here. After selecting the workspace, you will be directed to another page. Now you can run your script by saving it here and clicking on Save plus Run button. You can also use this HTML, CSS and JS button. Here you can see that you can put your HTML code on this field here and your JavaScript code on this field here. And you can also put your CSS on this field and click on Save and Run button to make changes here. So that is how you can add Workspace in your Codecademy account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.